Hey, this is Alex with FileDrop. Today, I want to show you a simple tool we've added to our website. It's a free tool. It's a free Google Sheet formula generator. As the title says, you enter the formula you need in this input box here, and the AI will generate the formula you need. So I'm going to add something simple like exactly what they say. What is the sum of column A and B? And I just simply copy the formula from here and paste it wherever I need in my Google Sheet. Easy, simple, no ads. You don't need to log in or anything like that. If you want to generate formulas in the Google Sheets sidebar with our Google Sheets add-on FileDrop, you have the Sheets AI sidebar where you can directly generate the formula there and input the text that you want, the formula that you need, and the AI will reply back with the exact formula you need. Hope it's useful. Give it a go. If you like it, please give us a thumbs up. Thank you. Cheers. Bye.